Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we would like to show you how you can toggle between two calls using the Phone app and the Softphone app. See how you can switch back and forth between two calls and how you can start a consultation without ending the current call. You are already in an established phone call with someone. Now, click on Start Consultation. You can either use the search field to look for the new destination, or you can enter the phone number directly, or you can select a contact from your favorites or from your call history. Go ahead and click on the green handset symbol to initiate the phone call. The first phone call is put on hold and recorded music is played. As soon as the consultation call is established, and once you are done with the consultation, you can switch back to the first call. Click on the green Retrieve button with the first call. The consultation call will be put on hold and the first call will be reactivated. You can switch or toggle back and forth between the two calls as you please by always activating the call on hold. You can end the consultation call by simply clicking on the red handset button to hang up. You will then only be connected to the first call. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.